Have you been the victim of crime? Are you considering filing for criminal injuries compensation, but don't know where to start? Well, in this video, we'll guide you through the necessary steps and documents required for your application. When filing for criminal injuries compensation, it's important to provide a victim impact statement and medical information such as records or reports. If you're claiming for losses, relevant invoices, receipts, and rebate documentation from Medicare and your private health insurer may also be provided. It's important to note that if your application is submitted without sufficient supporting evidence, you'll be notified in writing of the additional evidence required to progress your application, or you may be awarded less compensation. The onus is on you, the applicant, to obtain and provide all the necessary information. This is why you need a professional criminal injuries compensation legal team to assist you with your victim of crime compensation claim. Experienced criminal injuries compensation lawyers will know what to include in your application. Getting legal advice will often increase your chances of getting the highest compensation possible for your claim. If the police are still investigating the matter or the court proceedings are ongoing, your application will usually cannot proceed until the proceedings are finalised. I hope this video has provided you with a clear understanding of the necessary steps and documents required when filing for criminal injuries compensation. If you need help with your criminal injuries compensation claim in Western Australia, Foyle Legal can help, and it's no win, no fee. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative videos like this one.